This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and again, a daily candlestick chart of the SPY, the ETF for the S&P 500, and we've been tracking this week to week here. The interesting thing I wanted to point out this week is, if you notice, we have this prior kind of micro downtrend, if you will, that I had pointed out earlier when we're in this pattern here, that broke out to the upside. Well, if you look what's happening now, we have the same thing. It's kind of even more micro than the prior one, right? But we've got this series of lower highs and lower lows here, very similar to what we had here, just kind of in miniature. Now, obviously, this one broke to the upside, made a new all-time high. So we haven't come to the top of the range yet here. We did gap up today. Usually that's kind of a trend continuation type day. So we'll see if that does eventually move higher today and test the top of the range. We do have a cross when the RSI has crossed above on this day here. That high got broken, and typically that's where we see that fall through to the upside. So we'll see if they can test this level and then break out. And again, that 612 would be that the target to the upside, which again would be a new all-time high there. On the downside, we still have this open gap back here to fill, right? So I think as this thing consolidates, which is what we anticipated after the Fed's kind of lack of direction here, at some point, though, we will probably make a big move out of this. We're either going to break to the upside or this thing is going to tank, at least maybe fill the gap back here, and then we'll kind of see what's what. Economic data set for next week. Wednesday's Consumer Price Index. Thursday will be followed by the Producer Price Index. And Friday, retail sales and Michigan consumer sentiment. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.